Gyms can reopen across England from the 25th of July, but with new COVID-19 measures, how will exercise take place in these environments to limit the spread of the virus? Olivia Tyler is a personal trainer at Nuffield Health. She says she's welcoming the chance to go back to gyms, but explains the measures to keep people safe when exercising.
Just across the board, absolute joy. So everyone's really excited, really happy to get back. We've been missing members that we've got to know over the years as well, and just missing being in our own environment. So yeah, really looking forward to it. We've worked with UK Active and the government to make sure that it is totally safe for everyone to come back to. So different things that we put in place are extra hand sanitisers. It's still really important to have good hand hygiene, so that's one of them. There will be some social distancing around the club, so things like one-way systems. Some of the PTs might be wearing visors if social distancing isn't okay in that sort of situation, if you need to get a little bit closer. Members will see that the class sizes have been reduced as well, and the actual times of the classes have been reduced, just so that we've got time at the end to clean up and clean equipment so that it's safe for the next lot to come in. Things like water fountains will be out of use as well, just to reduce any further kind of infection impact or anything like that. So members will need to bring their own bottles of water, or they can buy it at the gym, but everything is now cashless as well. We're looking at reducing the number of people that can be in any one area at any one time. Obviously that's going to be a lot safer that way as well. So if there are too many people in the gym, then we'll have to reduce those numbers. Obviously the class sizes are reduced as well, and the one-way system should help a little bit with gatherings and things like that. So yeah, there will be some reduced numbers in certain areas, but I think people will be starting to get used to that anyway with other industries that have been open before us as well.
As well as being prepared for visitors, the gyms are asking those wanting to use the facilities to come prepared to limit the use of indoor spaces.
First of all, it's just about making sure that if you're feeling unwell, then please don't come into the gym. We are taking infrared thermometers as well, so we'll take your temperature before you come into the gym. And obviously if your temperature is high, then we'll ask you not to come into that gym that day. So making sure that if you have any kind of symptoms, please do stay at home. We are asking people to bring their own water bottles as well, if possible, even where possible, just because we aren't using our water fountains, just to reduce risk as much as possible. If you can arrive ready to work out as well. We're trying to limit the amount of people that we have in the changing room at any one time.
Although Olivia is glad that gyms are reopening, she's found the lockdown to be beneficial to find new ways to exercise, which she will incorporate into her training.
People have been using this time to experiment, so people have been doing things that are completely different than they wouldn't have done before. Perhaps they didn't have time to do it before, so they've been kind of looking at that. And then other people might have been nervous to go into a new class. So the things that we've been doing online, like our online Facebook classes and things through our My Wellbeing app as well, that's allowed people to just take a chance and try something new. So it's been good to see the variations of exercises that people have been doing. I think some people have struggled with motivation along the way as well, but we've been trying to keep in touch with those guys just to keep everyone going. Personally, it's been different for me as well. Like I've been trying some new things. I told you about the cooking as well before, but I've been running a lot more as well, as I know you have, which I didn't necessarily have a lot of time for before. And then also just trying out some different styles. So I've been doing a lot of different classes to try and reach as many different members as possible. So in doing that, I've kind of created some new exercises for myself as well. So that's been pretty cool.
As well as welcoming back gym members, Nuffield Health have developed a new regime to help those recovering from coronavirus.
The team have been working really hard on developing a COVID-19 rehabilitation programme. So that's something that we'd like to offer digitally first, to then transition into a face-to-face environment with a team member and with some really specific rehabilitation exercises. So that's something that I think we can play a really important role in getting people to rehabilitate and get back to health after suffering from COVID-19 at hospital, or just from having some of those symptoms as well.